Greetings everyone! Today I will show you 5 methods how to record call on another phone. But before recording a call, consider privacy and legal details. Did you know that recording a call without someone's permission can violate their privacy and even be illegal? So, let's talk about legality of recording calls. Companies take privacy seriously. That's why some phones don't allow to record calls by default. That's also why most call recording apps play a message when recording is started. But I'm not a lawyer, so just be sure that you look up to your local laws and obey by them. In the US, for example, most localities follow a simple rule. If one person in the conversation knows and agrees to the recording, it's okay. But some states require everyone on call to formally consent to being recorded. So be sure to record responsibility and to respect everyone's rights and privacy and to not get trouble with the law. So the first method is to enable call recording on your phone. So in the best case scenario, your Android device can naturally record calls, but not for everyone due to privacy restrictions. For example, the phone we used for this post only allows us to automatically record unknown numbers, and Google Pixel phones don't support native at all. So, to check up your phone compatibility and to turn on call recording, follow these steps. Firstly, go to your phone app's settings, tap call recording, and toggle on your preferences. Agree to any legal reminders you might see. If you can turn on automatic call recording, remember that all recording will be stored on your phone, which can quickly use up your memory. It can also leave you storing through a lot of needless call logs. If you can't record automatically, you might still be able to record individually. You just have to remind to hit the record button when you are ready to start recording the call. To do this, you will find a record button on your phone call screen or hidden under the three-dot menu during a call. Simply tap on this button during a call and start recording conversation. Your best second method is to download a call recording app. Because you are on Android, you will be downloading it from Google Play Store. But in 2022, Google introduced policy changes that limited developers to access Android accessibility settings. This prevents many third-party apps from recording calls. Those still in Google Play Store had to find workarounds. So you may need to allow restricted access in your settings, which is privacy concern to some. Still, if you are looking for general call apps, a few reputable ones are Call Recorder Cube ACR, Call Recorder by Lucky Mobile Apps, and Automatic Call Recorder Pro. Link to these will be in the description. These apps allow you to record plural calls and calls from voice over Internet Protocol services like Skype and Messenger. Cube RRC also has a privacy guard, geotagging, and cloud backup feature. But remember, most of these apps are free, so they rely on ads to earn revenue. The third method is to use separate device. If you can't use any of these methods above, or you just want easy recording hack, you can always capture conversation with a separate device. This may not be the most refined method, but it works most of the time. The call recording quality is fine, but it's also likely to be most discreet way to record a call. Recording a call with a separate device is simple. You just need your Android call on speaker and use a backup recorder, like another phone or some microphone. This is the most straightforward and the easiest one. But be sure to choose a quiet environment to reduce background noise. Use a high quality secondary device for better recording and test the setup with not important calls to ensure everything works as expected. Now the fourth method is to use Google Voice. Google Voice is built-in feature for Android devices that offers call recording straight from your phone. However, while it's convenient option, Google Voice has few limitations. First, your Google account type describes what you can do. On a personal account, you can only record incoming calls, not outgoing ones. This means that this method isn't be available for any calls that you initiate. You can also record conversation automatically and might miss capturing important parts of it. Workspace calls get more recording options, but you also need a separate Google Voice license, and even then, recording features vary plan by plan. For example, some plans don't support automatic call recording. You can log into your admin settings and check with your workspace administrator to see features that your plan supports. To enable call recording in personal Google account, follow these directions. On your Android device, open Voice app. At the top left of the corner, tap on the three dots menu and choose Settings. Under Call Options, enable Call Recording feature. Select Recording incoming calls and turn this feature on. If you need to record manually, tap 4 on your dialog pad during a call and start to stop the recording. You can also tap the record during a call in a workspace account if the admin has enabled it in options. In short, Google Voice is conventional for some cases, but it's not the best option for personal users. For those who need more robust features, if you are looking for a call recorder that you can do everything, we suggest to check out a business VoIP system. And this brings us to the fifth method. Use a VoIP service. A dedicated VoIP service is the best way to record business call. This way, you can capture both incoming and outgoing calls. Popular based VoIP apps like Skype, Zoom, and Teams have some of these features. But you will all get much more from software like Nextiva or RigCentral. Two of these best VoIP accesses for businesses, even them, only some plans might give access to advanced call recording features. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed and you find this useful. And I will see you later. Bye.